Oh no. There it go, baby. Let's go. Red Fox, baby. Look at that tail box. Yo, what it do, gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we're back with another video. Yo, today we are going to be attending a DonkMaster drag race out here at the Piedmont drag strip in North Carolina. Hopefully this joint be lit. I ain't been out nowhere in a minute since the last car show. I want to be bringing you guys some good content, man, with cars, having a good time. You know what I'm saying, man? Just being on chill mode. So yeah, I'm on the way to the homie spot right now, yo. We all supposed to be riding now. It's supposed to be a couple of us. They got like little Hondas and stuff. I'm in the Mercedes right now. And we're gonna pull up on him, see what he talking about. We all supposed to be rolling out there, maybe 3 to 4 deep. Now I just watched this car, man. It's like a lot of bugs, man. It's one of my pet peeves. Like after you get done doing something and then it just get messed up. Like I hate that. So every time y'all see my face just turn back, I'm looking at bugs just smacking the windshield. But yeah, man. We on the way right now. And we're gonna get a ton of footage while we there at the drag strip. Hopefully it be epic. I know they're supposed to be having like bikes and a bunch of donks and a bunch of like other cars and stuff racing today. It start at 5. And we're trying to show up early enough so we can have some form of parking. Yeah, man, y'all sit tight, stay tuned. I'm gonna turn the camera back on just as soon as I get to the homie spot, so we can chop it up before we get there. At the track right now, man, they got some cars out here, and we early. They don't even start till 4, but we early. But yo, like they got some cars to run. Big boy. I don't even know where the homie going, man. He said he gonna pull all the way around the whole track and stuff and whatever. Look at that joint over there, man. Look, I'll come out and get a glimpse of it. I think it's like an old school with like a little bit of modern in it. But yo, look, got the donk right here, Impala.
On track, now we gon' way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up.
He about to pull up track sign. Look at this guy, man. He knows something I don't know. But this guy, bro. Yo, he got the slim wheels. Like he got the slim tires on his joint. My boy coming through here fast with a 4-wheeler. Big boy on a big 4-wheeler. God almighty, boy. Hey, look, man. Don't never let nobody tell y'all can't do something. Cause I'm telling you, man, I done seen big boys on bikes, big boys on small bikes, and I mean they running them Jones. Big boy on 4-wheeler, man. Y'all just seen that cat, man. That boy was huge. Oh, man, what we doing parking right here, boy? All right, look, yo, I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we park, yo. All right, gang, as y'all can see, we at the track. Got the AMG, that's mine, 2011. Got the Honda Accord, big flexing.
Hey, I'm out here on the other side of shit.
It's my boy that cut my hair right there, man. Me and him is mad cool. Yo, I didn't think that this purple was gonna turn out like how it did, but yo, she's actually really clean. He ain't even washed the car. Then we got the homie Honda. Whew. Yo, she is sexy. This John, man, clean, man. I love the wheels on it. I love the combination, everything he got going on with this car. Honda Accord V6, dual exhaust. You know that's a big boy that you can buy in that year. And my man keep passing by right here with his bike, flexing like a motherfucking Mexican. Hey man, what all you got done to the car, man?
Man, I ain't done nothing but just the wheels, little tint, do a little system in it. Ain't nothing much. Just ride.
Man, she clean, man. She clean. Daily driver, man. I daily that any day.
Yeah, that bitch ride good too, man. That motherfucker actually ride good in the motherfucker. I mean, my shit ride good too, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn on, but I'm actually, yeah, I need to get me alignment. Don't talk shit. You know what I'm saying? But I need to get me alignment, you know what I'm saying?
But yeah, man, we're gonna hit this track. We're gonna hit this track up, and DonkMaster coming out here, man, running his car. And I was gonna put the AMG in it for an extra $25, but then I wouldn't be able to get y'all footage of DonkMaster racing. So we're gonna do that next time. When DonkMaster's not here and it's just regular cats like myself and you know everybody else, then yeah, I'm gonna put the AMG in it. I'm gonna put the Crown Vic in it. I'm gonna put the Mustang in it. Mustang's getting Pro Charged soon, so y'all boys be staying tuned for that. Nice little S10 here. Hammond. Crazy work. Yeah, we got DonkMaster car. I'm about to see if I can just talk to him real quick. You know, a lot of cats be like, yeah, I'm about to run up on them and stuff. Man, this joker is clean, man. DonkMaster car, got the bag in the back. Yeah, that's DonkMaster right there.
Yeah, I need an extra large. Well, 2 extra large about. Yeah, you were extra large. Hey, how you doing? I went to a shoot. That is. Shit out this hole. I'm gonna wipe the picture with you. Yeah, I see.
I ain't going in that Mercedes, baby.
In the straight race, you must have long pants.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this the 7 seas. I deal with life different.
Two fast bodies, baby. Let's get it. Hey, look, man. This is where. Look, this right here is why I want a Fox. This is why I got a Fox. Not why I want a Fox, but this is why I got a Fox.
Hey, what you got, bro? Red or green, man? Turtle or teal or whatever the color it is.
I got red.
You got red?
Yeah, I got red.
Red too. I'm going the other now. You got red. Teal ain't gonna do nothing, what?
I got red, baby. Yo, red fox against teal fox. Watch that red fox spank some tail. Watch this. Let me tell y'all, I know how cars sound. I know when they running good too. Watch this. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. There it go, baby. Let's go. Red fox, baby. Look at that teal fox.
I told you, two things that never bet on. There's a drag race and a woman.
Oh!
Damn, what?
Bruh!
Yes, sir. We went and got it.
We went and got that motherfucker.
They going in and they not playing no games today.
About to see what do. Yo, DonkMaster race. Here you go, DonkMaster. Goddamn DonkMaster.
Pull him out here, baby. Pull him out. You pull him out here.
Oh, what is this, like his buy race? This might be his buy though.
That sounds like a DonkMaster.
Bro, this might be his buy though.
The DonkMaster on the far line. Big dog car. Big dog car. DonkMaster. Wobbling it in. Wobbling it in.
Gang, so right after that last clip, we got rained out on the track. So just as soon as I got done with that last clip, man, I mean the bottom fell out the sky. We got rained out and everybody just basically dissipated, man. Like everybody left the track and they didn't even continue to race. So I believe that DonkMaster's supposed to be coming back to North Carolina. But till then, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage of what I did capture and his little buy race, man. To be on a donk, to have big rims on this car, man, they actually wide as heck too. So, you know, to have wheels on the car and to have it look good and be able to run it like that, man, is a miracle. And that man does it, and that's why he's DonkMaster, and that's why a lot of cats respect him. He can smack a lot of stuff out there on the road, on the track, street race, whatever. He can just smack a lot of stuff out there, man, and look good while he's doing it. So, not even jock ride or nothing, I'm just saying, man, like, I like to see stuff like that where people aren't doing every day. People got like the stock tires, I mean not stock tires, but the stock rims, and then, you know, have drag radials and stuff. But this man got a whole rim, you know what I'm saying, a huge rim on his car, and he's running that car like that. So, but yeah, man, I just thought I'd tell y'all that. That's the reason why the video shut off, and now y'all seeing me talk. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video though, man. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, Tap that bell notification for future uploads, man. We got a lot more coming. We gonna be running our cars on the track, man. And I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be the next DonkMaster or anything, but I'm gonna be greater than that. We're gonna be greater than that, man. So always push yourself to the highest limit possible, man. Never give up. Always strive for your goals. 2Time Moto TV out. Until next time, peace.